Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the Shopify theme of a website. First, navigate to the website you want to investigate. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source or Inspect Element from the context menu. This action will open the developer tools, revealing the site's underlying code. We'll then search for specific indicators within this code to pinpoint the theme being used. Once the developer tools are open, you'll see various tabs. We're primarily interested in the Elements or Sources tab, or simply using the search function. Press Ctrl plus F or Command plus F to open the search bar within the developer tools. Type Shopify or theme into the search bar. This will highlight relevant sections of the code, guiding you to the theme's identification. Within the search results, you'll often find a link to a stylus sheet or JavaScript file that includes cdn, Shopify, com/a/file/1/. Following this path, you'll typically see /theme/ followed by a number or a name. This number or name is the unique identifier for the Shopify theme. Sometimes, the theme name is explicitly stated in a meta tag or a comment within the code. If manual inspection seems too complex, several online tools can automate this process for you. Websites like Shopify Theme Detector or What Store Theme allow you to simply paste the website's URL. They will then analyze the site and tell you which Shopify theme it's using, often providing a direct link to it. These tools offer a quick and easy alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.